Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm finally doing the Beyblade unboxing of Beyblade X UX-01 Dran Buster 160A. But yeah, really can't wait to get this. So yeah, 160A. Oh yeah. Let's go. This is one of 3 videos. Finally got these guys. And I'm caught up right now for the main guys. So yes. Also, oh shit. I got this guy in today too with these guys, so I'm fully caught up for the major releases. Okay, there's the knife. Yeah, I just got home, so yeah. Boom. There's the booklet and the launcher. Really can't wait to get this and launching this guy. Okay. Here's the Beyblade itself. Just get the ripcord out. Add it to my collection of ripcords. But yeah. Definitely interested to see what they come out with. Okay. Here's the blue ripcord. Blue and black. Standard ripcord. Oh, but I really like the string launchers better, in my opinion. Yeah. Let's get into it. Bay itself. Dran's Buster. Okay. Really gorgeous. I like the shape too. But yeah. And also the color is really good. There's 160. There we go. And this is a low driver. I'm blanking on the name, but yeah. Oh yeah, that looks cool. But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.